Yay, Mombasa from my window. This is what you can hear over there. The trees, oh my god, and also on the other end, the canopy, the green forest canopy, which is very okay. And yeah, so hey, good morning, guys, good afternoon, good evening. I wanna say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, something like that. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, kindly feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. On today's video is a super special video, guys. I'm shooting this video from our bedroom over here in our one bedroom house in Mombasa, Kenya. Of course, I don't know why I have to take this off so that you can see me well or you can see me good and very nicely and very greatly. Give much thanks to Almighty God for this amazing day again, for this beautiful time, and for this beautiful moment of me being a dad. Of course, I'm a dad. A very great dad, actually, indeed. So on this day today, guys, we wanna just set something over here in our one bedroom. Actually, in this bedroom, actually, we have been staying here for almost let's say one and a half years or 2 years right now in this bedroom, and today we have to change it to something else. But before that, have you subscribed? Before we change this bedroom, have you subscribed? Because every single time you always see us doing what we call like, oh, we want to change, we have changed this, we have changed this. It's actually slowly by slowly, one thing at a time, one step at a time. That's one thing I appreciate about myself, and also about me and my family, or me and my lovely wife Minhawi, because we don't just rush. No, we do one thing at a time, one thing at a time. That's how we keep on moving, slowly by slowly. Yeah, thank you so much for 24,000 plus subscribers, and also I know we are heading to 30,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that, guys. You know, every single day we are pushing. So recently it has started raining over here, and do you know, the more it rains around here, the more stagnant water is. Reason being, Mombasa has one of the poorest drainage system. Though I stay here, but for that I give them a thumbs down. Reason being, when it rains, mostly in Mombasa, when it's rainy season. Sorry, let me close my wardrobe. This is our wardrobe. Yeah. Number one, when it rains in Mombasa, when it's rainy season, most people suffer a lot. Around here in Mombasa, more people suffer because sometimes water clogs to an extent that it goes into people's houses. Others, like, there's no road accessibility sometimes, but sometimes at some parts, not all places. But it's one of the beautiful cities over here. So, but they're really maintaining about what we call like their drainage system around here. So like now it's rainy season, and when we were two, me and Minhawi, in this house, we used just to stay that way because there were no any what we call like mosquitoes, because it was dry season. Sometimes once when it's raining, we go back to the village. But today, on this other end, we are here with another plus family. That's our lovely baby Maria Rose. So we decided, like, because now it's raining season, it's good to be with our baby slowly, small, because she has been, this is her bed over here, doing that. Now we have taken everything out from here so that it can be washed again, and also we will be spreading our bed. That's why you see this is the beautiful mattress cover. Yeah, we call it mattress cover. I usually love white to just sure that, you know, it can give you time to change, because white, the moment it gets dirty, you have to see it, it's dirty, so you change it. Yeah, and also my baby kids things have been taken out to be washed again. You know, every single time you have to be washing them. In a day you can wash them even twice or thrice, because it depends with how she is helping herself, you know, because sometimes you find that she has a pampers, she has urinated, she has belched, it has gone to her sleeping, you know, so something like that. So we always change them every single time, but that doesn't matter. What matters today is, why are we changing our bedroom to be another thing? Watch this video to the end, and let me welcome my wife to be here so that we can always see what's happening over here. All right. Yeah, so my lovely wife will be here, and I'll be showing you the surprise that I went today. I went in town actually alone, and I got something special for her.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good morning.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Now you decided to come from here to there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that chair is very hard.
It's very hard.
It's injuring my
It's
neck.
injuring you. It's injuring you something.
Yes.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Hey, you're glowing.
I'm glowing. You think so?
All right. You're looking very, very, very nice.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
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 Boo-boo-foo.
Boo-boo-foo.
Who says boo-boo-foo?
I don't know.
You know who says boo-boo-foo?
Boo-boo-foo. I don't know.
You're very boo-boo-foo.
I don't know.
Baby. Okay.
Who say boo-boo?
If you tell her I say beautiful, she says boo-boo-foo.
Boo-boo-foo. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So how is it?
Everything is cool, guys.
You went to town today.
Today I went to town.
Tell me.
And I came with your favorite. You know, now
What's
it has been raining. It has been raining in Mombasa.
Oh yeah.
And you know when it's stagnant, what is stagnant? It facilitates the breeding of mosquitoes.
The mosquitoes, like guys, mosquitoes are flying in and out the way they want.
You know, with us when we were two, we could even leave the windows that way
and just
and just sleep, because we could wake up and kill the mosquito like this.
And also when you open the window, there's a lot of like breeze, so the mosquitoes are taken away by wind. By wind,
and also we can just put on this
at 5.
Yeah,
level
the fan.
5.
So we can put it at level 5, and it can fly this way, so the mosquito cannot come near you because
but
it can be
right
swept
now,
away.
if you come out with the baby, remove the baby from the crib and then you carry her, the mosquitoes are very shameless.
Very shameless. They
come and they want to drink a
new blood. They see new blood.
So like every time we're like this, I slap myself. I was about to slap the baby one day, like because the mosquitoes were like trying to. I was like, yo.
And I got so mad. But anyway, guys, so as you have heard, today I went to town and everything has been around. Everything has been okay.
Your mind is
my mind is not at minding. So actually, I went in town and came with. So this is not a camping bag.
That's a mosquito.
It's a mosquito. It's a mosquito.
Mosquito net.
Mosquito net.
Mosquito
net. So anyway, guys, we want to start by spreading this bed very, very well, as you see. I decided now to return our beautiful mattress cover. Reason being, the baby is here. Sometimes we put her here, so she can belch
or vomit sometimes, or sweat. So like we need to protect the mattress.
Absolutely.
So that it lasts long. So we got this mattress cover for protection service. And also when you wash her, sometimes we put her here.
And when we wash her, you put the Macintosh, and then we put the towel, baby towel. Is like a baby towel, baby shorts? Baby towel. Then you put it, but still the water oozes from her, the mattress, in which can keep the mattress.
And also us, we also sweat. So it's very hot, so sometimes you sweat. So we protect the mattress so that it doesn't have some stinkiness, if that makes sense. Stinkiness. Yeah.
Alright,
so
guys.
It's clean. So you want to make the bed?
Yeah, I want to make the bed. Then from making the bed, I want to spray the bed first. Or what first before doing this?
Spreading the bed,
then fixing this. So I'll be fixing this, and then we see what should be the cameraman or the camera woman for the day. You'll be the camera woman for the day. All right. Enjoy as we see this. All right. Okay. Hey, let me put this here. Then from there. Then today you teach me, teacher. You see fine.
Teach you what?
You teach me. You tell me this is up, that is down.
It's very funny that. No. There was no comments that.
They were there. I was right. But anyway, guys, because this one shows you down, and this one shows you up.
No, you do you. Me, it makes me uncomfortable when the bed is like that. But do you? Do you?
Me, I'm the only spreading guy. Spreading guy. Hotel Splendid in Nepal taught me how to do this. You know when you visit Nepal, and we have what we call like a hotel called rooftop. It's called rooftop. It's a very nice hotel. They taught me how to spread the bed as a visitor.
Okay.
So
So imagine the beauty, all that beauty is being put inside there.
Yeah, because of the bed. Because if it will be that bed that has mattresses, you know the orthodox? The
orthopedic.
Orthopedic.
Uh-huh.
So the orthopedic mattresses that you put on the bed and then it hangs. So it's supposed to put this, so it hangs this way.
Okay.
Yeah. So but this one you have to insert everything in to sag. Is it to sag or to tack in?
Tack in.
Yeah, you have to tack in everything.
Guys,
guys, let me give you a short story of my wife.
No, don't expose me.
A short story of my wife. When I came here, she used to use a cooking stick to tack in, even at home.
Because guys, my nails are very soft and very...
She used to put on some kind of plastic nails so she could be like, I cannot tack in. So by that time I used to be cool. I couldn't do anything. I used to be like, let me watch her first, like vetting. So I could see her using a cooking stick. Cool. Hey, one day I told her, you know me, I'm not eating food. If you use your cooking stick.
It's not like what? Like I was just using.
What is guani? What is guani?
Yo.
But anyway, I'm not advising people to be using their hands.
Sometimes it breaks your nails.
Yeah, so there's what you call like a wooden tacking stick. It's called wooden tacking stick for this kind.
Okay.
But like me, I trust this bed because there's no any nails on this other end.
Yeah.
So you have to do this way. You have to be very careful because you can use your bare hands like this,
and then you get a nail.
You get a nail. You end up being
tearing your fingers.
Yeah, and also being in the hospital, not just destroying your beauty. You know now the way it's this way. Even Maria can sleep here. When a visitor come.
Visitor.
Yeah.
We can't host a visitor here.
Hey, me I'm waiting for a visitor from USA. Anybody who will be saying that CJ, I'm coming. Me, I leave this bed for you. I sleep outside there.
If a friend of mine, if I told you you're in the USA or whichever place, or even in South Africa or anywhere, and you come and you want to come to Mombasa, and assuming you're not even here, I can host you. I can give you this house to stay.
You know we have some mattresses,
and so we can be in the village.
If you
maybe
to sleep down, you can sleep.
Even if we are in the village, we can. If there are people we trust and care about, they can stay here, and even if we are not there. Yeah.
So, which is yours? This one.
I don't know.
You don't know? Yeah, me, I write mine.
That's mine. That's mine.
This one is yours.
Yeah. Oh my God.
The wind, please.
The wind, Marie. Marie is like, she's grasping.
Hey,
now they didn't teach you how to make my pillows. Now I can see what you're doing now. Look at it's very unproportional, and you can see.
What is the pillow itself?
No. You need to fix it well. Dress it well.
It's the pillow that's unproportional.
No.
It's the pillow.
Shake it like this. Loosen it like yeah. Yes. Now. Yes. Now. Yeah.
This one. What is this?
What is this? That one is enough inside. Yes.
Baba Maria, I think when I'll be with my kid when she starts walking, I start teaching.
I feel like you need to move the pillow the other side. It's giving me stress because I feel like it's unprofessional. Like yeah. And
that's how you always pushes me. You don't want me to be near you. It's okay. Even the pillow. Okay? This is no racism.
No, it's racism. Not even. What is racism? Oh my God.
You are telling me not even to touch my pillow, not to touch your pillow. What do you mean? Okay. But anyway, we are unboxing it. It's a new brand new over here. So this one is going to give me headache. Very crazy headache. But anyway, I'll learn how to. It's manual. Even the manual.
Now you have to read it.
No, it doesn't show.
Guys.
It shows you how it will look like. So let us see, guys, if it should really look like this.
Can you imagine having this pink?
You wanted me to paint?
No, white. Me, I'm a white lady.
That's why chose white. Alright, let's try to see how it will be. It's a sort of a lot of things. Oh my god.
Are they not dusty?
They're not dusty.
To put on bed?
No, they're not dusty.
They are.
They're not.
Okay.
Oh, anyway, I can put them down.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me put them down. Anyway.
Can we get something to wipe them at least, or
yeah, I can.
so that this one will not get dirty. So he wants to wipe them with a wet one. I wish I can help you, but I'm a cameraman.
You're a camera woman.
Yeah. Like I think I have some. I have some testosterone.
You're deciding to be a man. Huh?
Eh?
You want to be a man?
It won't be so bad, will it be?
Who will be your wife?
My wife. So now, if I'm a man,
don't try to say anything. Because it sound awkward to you and to everyone who is watching us.
No, if I was born a man, I would choose whoever my wife will be. Maybe I could not have known you.
Okay, for example, if you were born a man, what would the taste of your wife?
My wife.
You look one like CJ.
A wife like CJ. Will you be a woman then?
I'm just giving you an example.
Like, okay. That's a difficult question. I think
You are right. These things were dirty.
they were dirty.
You are right.
Your wife is always right.
I think it's because they are silver, so they were.
I think or where they were stored.
No. Where they were stored, because it was a supermarket. So
It was a supermarket?
They always clean every day. So I think it's they are colliding over each other. Yeah. You know, this was steep. So steep collides over each other. So it gives you, look, it was kind of dirty, right?
Yeah.
No, it's how do we call it? Silver. Silver what? You see when the rubber band stamps the sun. Oh, sorry, Maria won't wake up.
I'll wake up my Maria. She'll be like, yo, I want your attention. Can you stop doing the videos?
Yeah, very soon. So it's better I wipe it faster.
Okay.
Yeah. Even this.
Yeah, it has interlocked.
So I'm trying to fix them slowly by slowly. So I can see how it is going. So I want to fix each and every one. There are some that are not interlocking. So this one has interlocked. This one also should go into this. So this one should be here. And this one should also interlock here. And these things are sharp. If you make a single mistake,
They can cut you.
I remember I was one day fixing something like this.
I think
somewhere.
the baby one.
Even one for my grandma.
Yeah.
My baby has something like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we put them slowly. I add until it becomes big. Alright?
Yeah.
So we are interlocking just like this. So this one goes inside another one. Yeah. It's like a wife, the husband, like this. Like that. It's okay. Like that.
Okay, let me just keep quiet.
No, in a Masonic. No, is it a Masonic?
No. There's something else you said.
In masonry, for those people who do construction, we have bricks which we call like a female brick and a male brick. So they interlock. If you have done masonry, I used to be a handman, so we used to have those blocks that they intermarry each other. You have not used any cement. You just intermarry them that way until the house is up here without any cement. You pour them in.
Okay, marriage counselor of bricks.
No, marriage counselor of bricks for you. Alright guys, so that's how we are fixing this. Just like this. And this other end like this. Okay. I'm trying to add one so that I don't want to make a mistake. Of one is tall, another one is small,
short.
short. This one can need to go. How did these people even try to make this?
I think that one. Married.
I'm married. I've been married. Like this again. Sorry.
It's okay.
Only where we are looking is Maria.
Maria doesn't like noise, guys. She hates noise. So anytime you put something on the floor or you bang something, she's already there complaining and whining.
I think
Whining or
whining.
I don't know.
A dog whines when it sees the master.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So again, we put this here. I think that's how it's supposed to be, right?
Won't it be too short?
That's how it's made. Oh.
I told you.
Maria. Alright, this will be for this side.
Isn't it too short?
No, it's not too short.
Oh my god, I was expecting it to be taller.
It's not short. There.
Okay.
Here. Oh my god. Okay.
Okay, guys.
Let's see. So the good thing of this, this one have to be stepped on
The bed.
the bed. So like this one. Oh, I think you have to also attend
The baby. Yeah, I'm going.
my lovely daughter. So
I'm
just
going.
like that. And then
So it can't fall.
now we tight. So the other one will tight, another one will tight. So like this also.
Mm-hmm.
You have to come and put, you have to see the angles. So you put it like, so I'll change this.
Okay.
Be like that. Take another one.
The same way.
Over here, so tall, so heavy.
Do you need help?
I could have needed help, but you are not allowed to carry heavy things. So, don't risk. No money for now. Take you to hospital.
I know.
So what did you do? She helped me to
I think
move the bed. Oh my
that
God.
will be easy now because we'll move that nini next to it. Yeah. So it won't need a lot of tying and all
Like
that. Yeah.
But it's already firm.
It's firm. Eh?
So again, have this over here.
Yeah, because guys, we're tired of mosquitoes. Oh my god, I wish I could have shown you the other bed sheets. Like we could just put yesterday, but we could not. Like they come and now we're killing. You sleep. When you turn, maybe you sleep on it. It's bad.
So also this one, you have to interlock them again, like that.
Mm-hmm.
You have to see which you have to interlock. So that goes in, just like that. This comes here.
But they're better quality nets. These ones are like temporary.
Yeah.
The ones I
It's
think
this one is temporary
because
you don't want to. It's better cure.
preventive is better. Prevention is better than cure.
So I need one which is free. You know, here we have the one which is a free one like this. So this one is better. So you do it this way. You choose which one you have to go in.
Why do you feel it should enter from this side?
No.
Because
So you know they have to interlock. They have to interlock, like, you know. I don't know if you understand this. Like this one. See, and then you.
okay.
Yeah, like that. Now, this one, you fix it here, a place like here. But still, I think this one, it's over here. There's one which is going to miss. Like that. Do you see it?
Yes. Good. think it's short. Or it's fine.
It's fine. It's short. You go inside. So, read that. You know, I'm a professional masonry. So, we join. There is one.
Yes, Mr. Mason.
Hey, I told you obviously. I was about to be shocked. Like, where is it? Interlock them. Interlock. Another one. Interlock like that. Now, fix. Fix. I'm building a house inside a house.
Okay, Mason.
Just like that, like that.
Good.
So, time to put the. See how they're strong,
Yeah.
but they're not proportional, right?
Yeah, they were not proportional. That's what I was trying to say.
So
I think.
no, it's this way. Don't think. I don't want you to think. I don't want you to think. Because the bed is so big.
I think the bed
The
is
bed
either,
is
yeah,
over 6.
over 6. That's why it's.
So, you know, it's supposed to be in here. I don't
Mm.
in there.
Yeah.
But you see now the bed is out with some inches. The bed got inches outside.
Okay, so
So it's time to
let's see what you got.
want to see what I
As
got?
long as I just don't sleep with mosquitoes
No,
biting.
today won't sleep.
Today it will be easy for us.
Today,
Because every time, because as we sleep, Maria sleeps in a mosquito net as we
we will be eaten. We have been eaten by mosquitoes. So,
Okay.
oh my God. I even know that.
I know this is going to be kizungumkuti. Try the now. You see, if you don't know, then we can try and I can help you fix. But it's a good light net.
Yeah. Oh, it's coming.
It's coming well. Okay.
I think it's coming. It's showing up.
At least today no mosquito bites. Normally have a lot of mosquito bites. And then now the blood stains, because sometimes when you're sleeping, you slap yourself like this, mosquitoes, like blood remains on you and on the sheets and on the wall and on everything, and I hate seeing blood anywhere, so I have to keep cleaning all the time. So yeah, so let's fix and see what happens next.
It's coming perfect.
It's coming along just fine. I think this bed is super big.
Yeah.
It's not fitting properly, but
But it's trying.
it's trying.
It's perfect.
I wish they made like even 7x6 nets or 7x7 bigger nets. See there?
Yeah, but this one also it's fitting.
Yeah.
It's just helping, not like see kama bure.
So like nothing.
Yeah, it's not like nothing. Half of bread is better than full bread.
The none.
So it's now time for me to be fixing this. Oh,
Wow. We've done a lot of work.
I mean,
It looks pretty though.
now you have to put everything to be on its corner.
You know, it's not fitting because of the unproportionality.
No. Yeah. Oh, Maria.
Hi, Maria.
New alarm. New alarm in the building. Did you hear that, guys?
Yeah.
You have a lot of things, a lot of work to do, or you have a lot of things to do. Attending Maria. Now, in here, I have to fix this.
You have to tie.
Yeah, you have to tie it so that it cannot maneuver. Tie it well with coat of many colors. This is now the symbol of coat of many colors.
Mm.
Now this one And now, huh? You can even open the windows now today.
Yeah, I can't wait.
You can open the windows and everything will be well. Just like that. I come over here.
Today we're opening the windows. Only that you'll find our things down.
The bamburi.
It's so strong.
Bamburi cement dust.
Dust, yeah. But then now, no, if when it rains, actually, it will be easy. Like there's not much dust.
So anyway, guys, we are fixing this. I've really tried to fix it, and I'm going all the way around, all the way around. So if there's somebody who lied to you that Africa there's malaria in Africa, don't go visit CJ. They have malaria. Oh, we are sorry. You just come today. Donate. And we are fixing it, and this is how you see it on this other end. As I'm fixing it, so you'll be able to sleep inside the mosquito net, and no mosquito will just bite you. Do you see me, guys?
Yes,
Now
they
you're
can.
outside me, I'm inside the mosquito net. I'm inside, Also have to tie here again. Oh my God, it's a lot of work.
I know.
Okay.
But at least we're making progress.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Well, that's what I told you. It's better half a bread than never.
The naan.
Than none. Hey, what am I even saying? Today I'm not okay.
I think
right?
today you're like offside a bit.
Today I'm offside. Better half a bread than none. What am I saying? I'm just taking the saying of better too late than never. So I'm putting it.
Yeah, you're trying to directly translate.
Oh my God. Better late than never. Putting it. Better have bread than never. Than none. Anyway. Easy.
So the only request I have for you is you stop slapping mosquitoes, please.
But if they bring jokes, I slap.
No, don't slap them on the net. Okay. The net will turn red and ugly.
Okay, I won't slap them.
Don't slap them. Let them go.
Your wish is my command.
I'm requesting you so that it looks neat and clean and all that. So if you see them, we just chase them out of the net.
Sometimes they annoy me.
I know.
You know, guys, the mosquitoes annoy me. You find that you are now the time that you are catching up with sleep, and then you feel like, now they are singing. They have already, mosquito cannot sing if it hasn't bitten.
Yeah.
It always sing when it has bitten. So the moment it's full now, it's now the time making a lot of noise.
Yeah, I understand then, because now at that time we didn't have like a net. Now we have. Now we do. Now we can just chase them, because the house will look so ugly.
I won't beat them.
Don't slap them.
I won't slap them. But if they joke around my
No, if they're on you can slap them.
But if they joke around Maria
will be either here or there inside the mosquito net all the time. Even right now she's sleeping in a net.
I think now.
Even during the day, because
now she needs mama's full love.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, so anytime we want to sit and bond together, because her bed is small, you can always be on my bed. Yeah.
Oh, she have to make stories with us before she goes to bed.
Because she goes to her own bed.
So, these ones.
Thank you.
These ones. No, it's not.
Amore.
You're welcome. But this one, we have to fix it up here again.
Oh, this.
Yeah. So these ones are. Oh man. These are the ropes to tie the net together.
Okay.
These ones are supposed to be somewhere here.
To hold it. No, because the bed is big, it will tear the net, or?
Yeah, but you need to touch them somewhere here. That way.
So that it looks like a king bed.
Yeah.
Okay, not bad. Okay, guys, let's fix then show you.
Alright. Now here comes another task of tying these things. Let me first count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, these people, they're
I think they're giving extra for just
they give me less. They give me less. They're supposed to be 8. Because they're supposed to be 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3.
I think 3 because the other side, it's not like, listen, the other side up there, it's not torn, it's not like, there's no slits like this other. So they only have 3 slits.
So
suppose
this one
comes that
have to be tied this way. Right? The other one, that one. The other one out this way. So the other one should be left. We have to leave the other one, right?
Yeah.
So
just we tie the ones that are on the road side, like where we use most of the time.
Okay. So let me try and see, guys.
Okay, guys, let's try and then we'll tell you. Ooh la la.
At least I'm trying.
Yes, you are, sir.
So it's your interior designer.
Hello.
CJ.
CJ, Mr. Interior Designer.
I'm trying. I'm not perfect,
Oh, but you've done well.
but I'm trying, you know. So this is supposed to be that way, at least. So if you want to dive in, you can dive in.
What did we see?
Just like that.
Yeah.
If it could be an orthopedic, for now it could be flying like a trampoline.
Yeah. This is nice, guys. What do you
But,
think
at least
of his amazing work? And you say having a husband is a good thing.
Not having also a husband. Have a husband who understands himself and takes responsibility.
Uh-huh.
Not just a husband.
Husband. So it's you now.
Come on, man. Come on.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're super amazing.
So just to protect my family, you know.
Malaria is bad, I know.
Malaria is bad, you know, without... if you're not protecting your family, you might lose it
I
all
think there's something
to the mosquito.
else here. You can lose them all to the mosquitoes.
Yes, the mosquito can take your family away from you.
Oh yes, that's for
So
sure.
It's better you know sometimes people think that you have to be so huge. The huger you are, the brain is also huge. No. The mosquito is small. It is brain, but it can kill you. You see?
Yeah, I've tried to magnify, like
Magnify.
it into being small so that they can capture.
Okay.
Yeah, so you've gone very far. Let me put. Yeah, this is the normal one.
So with me, I can think that I'm so brilliant and very, 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 very brave to kill mosquito every time I'm slapping them. Not knowing
And
that
they keep flying.
I'm just doing what you call like destroying myself. On the other end, they are always there. They are breeding every single
day. So like it's just a waste of time.
Just a waste of time,
Mm-hmm.
and also injuring myself by slapping myself. You know?
All the time. And also now this looks perfect.
So it's only just to use the mind, the brain.
Yeah.
You protect them, so they'll be here every time they come. They knock here. Can I come in? You say no, because we have been buying doom, and for now you can't spray doom in this house because we have an infant. So it's very risky. She can maybe grow up with complications. So it's better to protect this. Like
Yeah.
the time when we're out is the time when we spray, and then we sleep under net, which would be so nice. Anyway, this is how everything is.
Thank you.
Today my wife said, she wants to do something small. So she has been always very far from the kitchen. Today she said she wants to be in the kitchen. Let's go see what she's... I'm just trying to bring her slowly by slowly to work.
Yeah.
Slowly by slowly. But also let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this amazing work that we have done here? And let me know in the comment section also, do you people sleep under nets? Or does your place have mosquito breeds?
Oh yeah.
Or does your, you know, like a place like South Africa, you never hear about malaria. It's in the southern part of Africa, no malaria because there's no breeding of mosquitoes there.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes.
Zones and geographical.
Cape Town.
Zones,
I miss Cape Town. Oh my God. Yeah.
Yeah. So there are some places that we don't.
I think we'll go back.
We need to go back sometimes.
Yeah.
So by watching me, you get so much information. By watching me, you get so much things to learn. Like I've told you, in southern part of Africa, you never hear about the outbreak of malaria because mosquitoes there, they are weak. They are not as strong as
the ones we have.
in
As we have
Africa.
the OGs.
The OGs in eastern part.
They are bred here.
They what you call like they do what we call like.
Do you know Egerton University?
Egerton, yeah.
In Nakuru, it breeds mosquitoes for research.
For researches.
And so there's a time, I don't know, it's November or October, they release them. So they come flying.
Big.
Fat with that have been fertilized.
In certain part we can't see that. Even they don't think it can facilitate that because it freezes mostly sometimes. It's very cold. So yeah, let's see how everything is. Every day you are learning. Every day is a learning day. See you in the kitchen with my wife.
Okay.
So guys, I'm done. And then you see the baby from there. Yeah, I'm done from there. So let me see what wife is doing over here inside. And then if you see. Hey.
Hi.
Oh.
Hello.
You good?
I'm good.
You fine?
Very fine.
Okay. The salt water is destroying the other side.
Yeah, and also it hasn't been. It's been like maybe sometimes it's been not been clean. So I think.
Now today, guys, I told you today, she's around here. Today she's coming back. She is always back.
As a mom, when you see something. Like when you see things are not done the way you normally notice when you get into your kitchen, and you see things are not done the way you always be doing them.
So me always cook and not clean.
You clean, but you don't clean. Like now here, it's been like a while since it's been washed because it's here, and even this rack, look at it, it's very dirty. It's here, it's not, so it hasn't been clean. So I think I'll spare time because it doesn't take time to wash this. Then I'll wash it maybe tomorrow because it's dusty. Because here, you know, it's dusty. So if you don't wash it every day, it will be not every day, even once a week at least. Yeah, so it will turn even
It will turn brown.
Yeah. So this is due to not wash it every day. Yeah, and the salt here, it's salty. Because the water is salty, so it makes. It may turn this into
the marble into
something else.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she's scrubbing, guys, and she's doing it. So guys, we have been buying this kind of stuffs. The Doom. We have been buying Doom. We have been trying every brand of these insect killers, but all in all been falling in vain. We haven't been seeing it happening. So you spray it today, and maybe in a few hours you start hearing the mosquitoes singing again. Wee, wee, wee. So they give you some kind of a siren that discomfort of sleep. So we always do what we call like now today I mastered them. When I was this one. So today I mastered them. I went and found it and I was like, yes, this is the deal. So my wife, she hasn't really yet resumed back to her normal, but now she's like, she doesn't want to sit idle for long. So she's always, sometimes even she'll be like, oh, can I wash? I tell her, by washing now, you don't want to be, I don't want you to be sick. So she just do some little work like here. Sometimes she can cook tea. You know, slowly by slowly.
He doesn't want me to do anything.
So slowly by slowly, she just wants to, you know, sometimes she doesn't want to sit idle. So she's an iron lady. So let's have her.
Iron lady?
Iron lady.
What's that?
Yeah, she's an iron lady.
Okay.
Alright guys, I appreciate your love and support. And I say thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Let us do some cleaning over here, also help her do this. Maybe I can carry out this. I carry out that, and also the baby is up. I can be with her because I left her play with some how do you call them, toys. Those something that you always put it here for her to breastfeed. I put it here so that she's touching and listening, looking at the colors like, hey, which kind is it? Red? Is it purple? You know, as I was googling and watching some videos, that you start introducing the baby into colors, more so black and white. So because like by this time they always see bloody things. Bloody yeah. Stuff. So the moment you give them something like white and black, they start to know to differentiate between black and white and other things.
That's nice.
Yeah. So I just tried it. So I gave it.
So I think you need to also get some toys that are full of colors.
Yeah, full of colors.
So that she can be able to know the difference.
Yeah, even when she's sleeping, she has to be with them near.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much. Be blessed. Remember as well to 30,000 subscribers, and should subscribe today. I shoot this video without having a very good mood because there's something that I'm undergoing through, but I know I'll overcome it. So subscribe, like, share, leave a sweet comment, and I appreciate your love and support. Be blessed all, and bye.
Bye.
Babe, say bye. See here and say bye. Oh, you.
Bye.
Hey, her mind was not
Guys,
there.
bye.
Hey.